Hello friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Tech World. I am Pawan. Today I am going to show you how to install and run Windows 11 on your PC when your system and hardware part doesn't support to install and run Windows 11 on your PC. This is the safest way of installing Windows 11 on your PC, because of if you install Windows 11 on your PC using this method, you will be able to going back to your previous system within 10 days. First of all, you need to go to your start menu and setting. Then you can find this update and security option. In here you can able to find an option called recovery. Now you can see you can go back to your previous system within 10 days. So let's get start our video and see how to install this Windows 11 on unsupported PC. Now you need to right click on this ISO file and go to extract win 11 English option. Now your ISO file will be extracted to a folder. You need to wait until completing of this process. Now open the extracted folder like this. Then you need to go to sources. In here you will be able to find a file called appraisers.dll. Here's the file which you want to find. You need to delete that file permanently like this. Then click on back button. Then click on this setup.exe file and give administrator permission to that file. Then your setup will be open. Then and also you need to turn off all the data connections, otherwise your setup will be again shows errors like TPM and Secure bot. Okay friends, when it came to here, now here you can see we can install Windows 11 on our PC, and also all the problems are fixed. Also thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.